Rewarded play weekly resets affect how some app activity and progress are displayed, so understanding when and how resets work can help you track your rewards correctly. By the end, you'll know what a rewarded play weekly reset means, what changes after a reset, and what to check if your progress does not look right. Section 1 is understanding what a weekly reset does. A weekly reset means certain tracked information may start a new cycle instead of continuing from the previous period. When a reset happens, the app may update progress displays, weekly goals, or other time-based features depending on how the system is designed. A reset does not automatically mean your earned rewards or account history are deleted. Your completed activity and account information should remain connected to your profile unless there is a separate account issue. The first step is checking your rewarded play account after the reset period begins. Open the app and review your current progress, available rewards, and account details to see what changed. Section 2 is checking why your progress may look different after a reset. One common reason is that the app has started tracking a new weekly period. If your previous progress is no longer visible in a weekly section, check whether the information has moved to another area of the app. Also confirm that you are signed into the correct account. Using a different login can make your progress appear missing because the activity may be linked to another profile. Refresh the app by closing it completely and reopening it. Updating the app can also help if the information shown on your screen does not match your actual account activity. Section 3 is troubleshooting reset problems. If the weekly reset happened but your progress or rewards still look incorrect, check your internet connection and reload your account information. Take screenshots of the issue before contacting support. Include details such as your account information, the problem you are seeing, and when the reset occurred. Clear information helps the support team understand whether the issue is related to syncing, account access, or the reset process. The key points are simple. A rewarded play weekly reset starts a new tracking period. It does not automatically remove your earned account information, and checking your account details can help explain missing progress. Your next step is opening rewarded play after the reset, confirming you are on the correct account, and reviewing the updated progress section. If this guide helped you understand rewarded play weekly resets, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.